Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Gatha Athasi Didi Satang Pahitapa Bodhi Brahmano Samajariya Samanoti Vujjati Papa Jaya Matano Malang Tasma Papajito Di Vujjati. Stanza number 388. Because he has discarded evil, he is called a holy man. Because he is serene in conduct, he is called a recluse. And because he has renounced his impurities, he is called a renunciate. 388. 捨棄邪惡者堪稱婆羅門，行為清淨者堪稱沙門，自除塵垢者堪稱出家人。388. 捨棄邪惡者堪稱婆羅門，行為清淨者堪稱沙門，自除塵垢者堪稱出家人。自在松嘅記住卡嘅吧，康熙第八本貝那，提拉參西朝瓦的，是為絕巴唐丁貝，提拉日出巴如住。